From 8 until late, I think about you.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in today's video we're going to get into this hair that I'm currently rocking. So today we're featuring Amanda Hair. Big shout out to Amanda Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have this dark root ginger body wave wig. She's a 13x4 lace frontal wig, 250 density. She is 24 inches long. You can purchase this unit in a 4x4 lace closure, which I really like about this company. This company offers just about every style wig in a closure and a frontal. So along with the options of a 4x4 or a 13x4, you have 3 options for density: 150, 180, as well as 250. So this is a body wave texture, so I decided to style it the way it looks on the website. So originally I decided to go in with a side part, and then I was like, let's do a middle part. So as far as the lace, I did add lace tint. This is an average cap size. If you have a larger head, I would try to see if they can offer you a even larger cap size. But yeah, this hair is gorgeous. Like, get into this. I love the dark root. Love it. I like this color. This is a ginger orange, but what I really like about these colors are the fact that you're able to deposit color on top of this and it'll take really well. So, but yeah, that is about it. If you want to see how this look came out, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Shout out to y'all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Come on. Yeah.
I'm gonna keep it real. How you make me feel, boy, you give me chills, baby. I'm gonna break it down. You just drive me wild whenever you're around. You know how I do, and you know how I flow. And I get your name and number, 'cause I like your stilo. And I dig the way you move and the way you do your thing. Baby, you can bring it on, you can swing it this way. Boy, it's something about you that make me tell my friends, but they don't understand. No, they don't know your style. With your high profile, the flyest thing in town. You know how I do, and you know how I flow. And I get your name and number, 'cause I like your stilo. And I dig the way you move and the way you do your thing. Baby, bring it on, and swing it this way. You stay on my mind, think about you all the time. Got to get to know you well. If you kiss, then I won't tell. You stay on my mind, think about you all the time. Got to get to know you well. If you kiss, then I won't tell. Kiss me, oh, hold me. I say, squeeze me, oh, squeeze me, oh, kiss me, oh, hold me. I say, squeeze me, oh, kiss me,
Check it out. Follow me, many miles. 1, 2, check it out. Let me break it down. 1, 2, check it out. Follow me, many miles. 1, 2, break it down. Let me break this track. It's nasty like pornography. Word to mommy, I like Joe, but he's sloppy. Dad, Poppy got a brand new bag. For real, I take and kill O'Neal like Shaq. Chad, ask Michael Jackson who's bad. He says I am, but the queen not trash. Dad, I'm bad enough to let my pants sag. I I be in Vegas where 702 be at. Check it out.
Give me what I want. Give me what I need. I like your squeeze it about you tight. Take the wings out, you so fly. You boy, you are so fine. I love your pretty round eyes. Here's what I want you to do for me.
Kiss me, baby. Hold me. Come on. Stop. Hold me. Yeah.
Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. For the good girl, one time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like a superstar. From 8 until late, I think about you. You're on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah. This whole thing got way too deep and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for you. You're mine, you're mine.
My bedtime, no rest at the kingdom. Alone in my place, my heart is away. All that I can think of is we should get married. We should get married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little thing. Let's get carried away. Come right now.